মাইক্রোওভেনে রুই মাছের ডিম ভাপা। ওয়েলকাম টু মাধুরিমা's কিচেন and মাধুরিমা's ইউটিউব চ্যানেল. So let's start. We have fish egg, রুই মাছের ডিম, and I just marinate with some Gondhoraj Lemon ZEST because we don't want the stinky flavor. So after that, what I have, I will write the ingredients. You can know that this is coriander and potato, red chilli, onion slices, Zeera powder, সর্ষের তেল, mustard oil, Gondhoraj lemon, turmeric and salt. So I will marinate with Gondhoraj lemon because with that I will add all the ingredient and mix it properly. So there won't be any stinky flavor or smell. It will be a very tasty one. And you know what, the gas cylinder LPG problem is going on, so I was getting request to prepare something in micro oven or any alternative thing, so I choose the micro oven. This is how you can prepare this deem bhapa. Bhapa is really good if you can do it in micro oven, so you just follow the steps, and definitely I will write down in the description box, just do check it. So I will add the mustard oil because we need it, and after marination this is like that, and then I will add little bit of mustard oil, and then I will cover it, and let's go for the micro mode, not the convection, the micro mode. So when you are using the micro mode, it will go very fast and you have to cover it, and I'm using this transparent one so that the heat will generate properly and spread evenly. It will cook very fast. So I'm using LG micro oven. It is very old one. So in the micro oven mode, I will keep the temperature in 540 degrees centigrade, and then I will bake it for 9 minutes. Within 9 minutes it will be done. That quick it is. So let's see how it is right now. Let's check. For within 9 minutes the Gondhoraj Ruier Deem Bhapa is done, and you can serve it with plain rice. Isn't it easy? So Madhurima's kitchen is like not only about the food, there will be cooking. I will teach you in the live cooking videos also, and in YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. So those who are giving food orders, you know where you have to find me. That is in Madhurima's kitchen Facebook, Google or Instagram. From Google or Facebook you can directly contact me. And guess what, I just introduced cake candle. So you just go through MaddyBee also in 3 platform, and then you can contact for the cake candle also. The candle will look like cake. So now back to this Rui Macher Deem Bhapa. I already enjoyed, now you can enjoy also Bhapa.